Hey guys, you're watching Desi Martini and my name is Xenia. Today we have with us the music composer duo who needs no introduction. मतलब अगर मैं introduction देने की भी कोशिश करूँ तो शब्द कम पड़ जाएंगे इनके लिए. We have Sachin and Jigar. Hi Sachin, hi Jigar. Welcome to Desi Martini.
Hi.
Hey, thank you, Xenia.
It's my pleasure. I'm getting to sit in virtually say, but sit in front of you guys and talk to you. That's like an absolute pleasure. And talking about your latest composition.
No, same here. Same.
Thank you. बिल्कुल भी वक्त जाया ना करके आपके लेटेस्ट कॉम्पोजिशन के बारे में बात करेंगे. नहीं जाना. हम जब भी कोई गाना देखते हैं सब में एक स्टोरी होती है एंड देयर इज आल्सो अ स्टोरी दैट गोज बिहाइंड द सॉन्ग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू नो व्हाट्स द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस सॉन्ग. हाउ डिड इट गेट conceptualized and made?
Okay. You see, me and Jigar are kind of song diggers, especially in our daily life conversations also. We cannot separate the music composers from our real life. What happens is, जब रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में से कुछ terms आते हैं ना, and when you make songs out of those things, it's a little bit special, because I think that much people associate more with it. So जब जब भी whenever you are actually going to say bye to a beloved, चाहे आपका भाई हो, बहन हो, beloved हो, wife हो, कोई भी हो, जब भी किसी को बाय बोलने का मौका आता है तो दिल में से एक्चुअली ये आवाज आती है कि यार तू मत जा यार, रुक जा यार, तो नहीं जाना इज प्रिसाइसली दैट. आई थिंक क्या है कि लव सॉन्ग्स का ये एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि कितनी बार आप आई लव यू बोलोगे, कितनी बार आप ये कहोगे कि मुझे तेरी आंखें पसंद है, मुझे तेरी बातें पसंद है. सो इट ऑल बॉइल्स डाउन टू दैट वन थिंग दैट कि सेम बात जो बोलनी है तो उसको किस अलग तरह से बोलते हैं हम, क्या एक अलग एंगल ले आते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो एज लवर्स एवरीबडी सो डिफरेंट. तो कुछ होते हैं बहुत इनिशियटली पॉजेसिव होते हैं, they cannot let go. So you have to let go somebody to lead their daily routine. Okay, ठीक है, उतना तो काम तो करने जाएगा ही बंदा, स्कूल तो जाएगी बेटी, so you have to say bye but you want to say nahi jana, and that is that paradox that we want to capture.
Right.
So nahi jana came along with the tune of the song, and when I spoke to Siddhant Kaushal, our talented friend who's written the lyrics of the song, so he said, sir, jo bhi badalna hai badal do, ye nahi jana nahi badlenge. So we carved the song around that concept.
Okay. Also, it's a ode to the doctors and their families during their days are hard anyway. But COVID के time पे एक अलग ही तरीके से उनके ऊपर pressure आया, given our population and given the number of doctors. But what has your pandemic experience been, like personally for you? We'll start with Jigar first.
What are you saying? What have we experienced during COVID is what you're asking?
Yes.
So I experienced COVID first thing first. And to everyone who's listening, first to all the citizens and all throughout the world, whoever listens to this interview, that it is for real and I had COVID and it is not small, so be very, very careful. And secondly, to all the doctors and all the frontline workers, I don't think we would be, so far from last year today. Last year at the same time, we were all like 3 times more panicked than this year. And I think it's only because of the science, research and doctors who've put their lives, to save ours. So hats off to them. Also, as artists, one is for me personally, I went through COVID, one is for the doctors, and one is for all the artists out there. I think it is a phase where it's not very productive because we as artists are very inspired by going out, meeting more people. That's where the ideas come from.
Right.
But when you're locked in a house, I don't think it's inspiring enough. So after a point, you start feeling you are not productive and you are not artistic anymore. but I think it's just a phase and it's going to pass. And we slowly started making songs, and I mean, everyone will get through this. So yeah, it is a tough phase, but we'll all get through this.
Okay. Also, like you said, I would like to add on before I go to Sachin that you said that as artists, you get inspiration when you meet people. And during the pandemic, it was a time of panic. It was a time of, if I can use this term, it was a time of melancholy. Moreover, कि वही sadness, वही panic एक हम में था. So from there, you guys got a tune of love, got a tune of hope. So that's a great thing. I would also want to know the story how you ended up on this tune because it's so hopeful,
Of
it's
course.
motivational.
Yes.
Okay,
of
so
course.
I so let me start. Jiggar got COVID in the first 15 odd days of the pandemic becoming big in the minds of us Mumbaikars, when it sort of hit that sort of fright and intensity. 15 दिन बाद Jiggar already had COVID, and trust me, we had no idea how to deal with it. So in fact, I clearly remember him calling me and telling me, यार मैं अपना टेस्ट कराने कहाँ जाऊँ, कोई टेस्ट कोविड पॉजिटिव को टेस्ट करने के लिए रेडी नहीं है. And I called my family doctor. अब I mean, who do you call a family doctor? Firstly, he's a doctor, but he's a family doctor. किसको आप family doctor बोलते हो? उस आदमी को family doctor बोलते हो जिसको for whose advice you're wanting to risk the treatment of your family. So they are literally living gods, and I clearly remember at 7:30 in the morning I called my family doctor, Mr. Mehul Mehta from Ghatkopar, because I've grown up in Ghatkopar, and I spoke to him that this is our situation, sir, and you please help us. And then he immediately set us up with a lab, and Jiggar could go there, and they tested him. And even before he was tested positive based on his symptoms, my doctor had already suggested him to pop certain medicines. And that same doctor has saved my father's life once and my mother's life once. So, like Jiggar said, there's, one thing is it is their job. The other thing is what role they play in our lives, So literally, एक डॉक्टर जो है ना आजकल के जमाने में जिस मोड़ पे इंसानियत आके रुकी है, आई थिंक वो फरिश्तों का एक लास्ट लिविंग एग्जाम्पल है ये डॉक्टर्स. तो एंड व्हाट दे हैव डन फॉर अस. हाँ, अवतार है. तो when I spoke to Mehul bhai, my doctor, and then I spoke to another doctor called Dr. Jagruti, who lives now in where I am living right now in Vilepale. Both these doctors told us, their stories of COVID when we were talking and when we had called them. तो बोलते थे कि हर रोज जब हम घर से निकलते हैं ना, तो हर रोज सर पे कफन बांध के निकलते कि आज पता नहीं क्या घर ले आऊंगा. And it's not only about a doctor, it's about the families who are staying behind, एक ये हो कि मेरा बेटा जा रहा है, जैसे आर्मी के जवान की माँ सोचती है कि हाँ आज मेरा बेटा बॉर्डर पे जाए, उससे कुछ कम नहीं था ये, not 1% less. मतलब somebody is putting their life in harm's way to protect ours. See, एक ओड उनको देना था, ओके, देना ही था, और बिल्कुल नॉन प्रीची वे में देना था. इस तरह से नहीं देना था कि हम आपको सलाम करते हैं, आपने हमारे लिए बहुत किया है, इस तरह से नहीं करना था. हम we wanted to get inside the psyche, inside the drawing room of a doctor. And that's why when we came through with Nahi Jana is a pure love song, like we discussed before in this interview. In fact, it's a romantic song. And so what we thought is that it's important to show the story of a doctor who just who's just wedded. Okay, उसकी शादी का पहला दिन है, and he has to choose his practice over his parinita, and just that one line when when the guy who's cracked the story for the video, Pratik, when he gave me that one line, we knew right there what our video is going to look like and what we want to show. Perhaps even this is not a good representation of how grateful we are to our doctors and to all the medics and all the frontliners. But yeah, it's a non-preachy, it's a Sachin Jigar style of an ode. So this is how everything got together.
Also, you guys recently have moved to, making more singles than working on Bollywood projects. We have seen a lot of singles coming your way. So what do you enjoying doing more? Singles or Bollywood जहाँ पे मतलब स्क्रिप्ट का भी एक हाथ होता है कि स्क्रिप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग कुछ कंपोज करना है, स्क्रिप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चलना है.
यार हम लोग म्यूजिक एंजॉय करते हैं. हम लोग we are here to make music. So we really enjoy composing for scripts. And there is nothing one cannot do when you are catering to a script. There is everything you can do if you do it rightly. But indie music is also a way of music, so yeah, we are just glad that okay, outside of films now we are able to do music. So our bigger picture is we want to do music. So abhi naam kya de do wo, that's not important.
Okay, is it the same for you, Sachin?
Yeah, I completely agree with Jigar. I think both of us were, pursuing academic, conventional academic dreams. मैं CA बनना चाह रहा था, जिगर MBA बनना चाह रहा था. We're just grateful we met the right gurus, we met the right people, and they helped us find our destiny. And this is now our life. It's almost like this, yaar, ki music is a way of expression for me in Jigar. Matlab, whatever is fed into our system, whether it's a story or whether it's whether it's a play that we are doing or whether it's a cause that we are scoring for, whatever it is, it drives us. So certainly the method, actually, if you ask me, is in a way, at least for me, I mean, I've become sort of used to scoring for a certain script, for a certain hero, for his backdrop, for his setup and all that. So I do feel a little bit blank sometimes when I'm scoring or composing an indie song. And like Jigar always says that, indie is all about finding your own voice. It's all about who you are, because when you listen to Lucky Ali, then it kind of, I mean, as a fan, I'm talking, and I don't know if I know it really, but I want to feel that I know the guy, listening to his songs, the kind of lyrics he has chosen for his song, the kind of music genres he has explored. Or when you listen to Honey, I'm a big fan of Honey Singh. So when you listen to Honey, you know कि यार कितना टशन है इस बंदे में, या कितनी स्ट्रगल रही होगी इस बंदे की, तो व्हेन यू लिसन टू अ इंडी आर्टिस्ट, एक बात जरूर ट्रांसपायर होती है कि वो कौन है. एंड आई जस्ट फील दैट मी एंड जिगर हैव सर्व्ड स्क्रिप्ट्स एंड सो मेनी डिफरेंट कॉजेस फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम कि शायद इन अ वे वो अब हम ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि what we really want to say. So it's doubly exciting and doubly challenging because whatever now we do is going to directly represent who we are.
Okay. Yes, true. Like you said कि जब indie होता है तो एक direct वो connect होता है because there is nothing like the script का जो एक होता है ना कि script के according वो बीच में नहीं आता obviously. Also, as you said कि Bollywood में अभी a lot of singers, a lot of composers have said this कि जब वो कंपोज करने की कोशिश करते हैं बॉलीवुड के लिए, टाइम उनको बहुत कम मिलता है, which is why they take resort to remixes कि कुछ ऑलरेडी है उसको refurbish करके चला देते हैं. Have you ever faced this कि टाइम की कमी की वजह से you are not able to give your 100%?
No, actually, really no. हम लोग we don't touch those projects which don't have time.
Okay.
We are not hungry to do everything that comes our way. So whenever we approach a script or a director, the first thing we ask for is time. Agar time nahi hai, to we will not do it. We'll let it go, because like how we discussed, right? We are making music for satisfaction. We are not making music for business. Business is a part of it, and it is a very important part of it. Without it, we will not be able to make music. So, but अगर हमको डेडलाइन ही फॉलो करना है, ऑफ कोर्स डेडलाइन फॉलो करना है, लेकिन शॉर्ट डेडलाइन, कल दे दो, परसों दे दो, देन इट इज नो फन, देन इट बिकम्स अ जॉब. like today if I don't want to make music, we want to have that space कि एक दिन हम नहीं गए स्टूडियो, एक दिन हमने नहीं बनाया गाना, you know, तो हम इतनी कट टू कट डेडलाइंस पे नहीं चलते हैं. बट देर आर एट टाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि पूरा एल्बम कंपोज होके खत्म हो गया हो एंड एट द लास्ट मिनट वन ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स इज नॉट वर्किंग, यू नो, एंड देन देयर इज अ इमरजेंसी कि अच्छा अब देन इट बिकम्स अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि इन्होंने हमको इतना टाइम दिया, हमने हमारा बेस्ट किया, लेकिन now it's not working. And then you have to accept it that okay, maybe you didn't make the best song, and at that point then you have to cater to emergency, cater to the 2-day deadline and do your best.
That's a very good way of putting it. Also, I think that the years that you have spent in the industry, itna to freedom hona chahiye ki aapke paas thoda zyada deadline ho to finish something. Also, अभी जैसा हुआ है कि पंजाबी म्यूजिक हैज सडनली सीन अ बूम. ये मतलब मैं बंगाल से हूँ, मुझे बंगाल में भी पंजाबी म्यूजिक सुनाई देता है. मैं कहीं भी जाऊँ कोई ना कोई पंजाबी म्यूजिक चला ही देता है. आप लोगों ने गुजराती फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए भी कंपोज किया है. डू यू सी अदर फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक reaching to the level of how Punjabi music has boomed over time?
Firstly, you're from Bengal, and I just want to first say that I mean, just such beautiful Bengali films and such amazing Bengali music out there. So big shout out to all the art that is coming through that land. But answering your question, see, Punjabi music has been the dance music of India forever. They are the happy souls, you know. For almost everything is put up hoi and bhangra, you know. It's I mean, that's their way of life. And whenever there is a culture that believes in celebrating music, then, you know, then wherever you are, you know, geography doesn't really matter. If you see Spanish music, for example, or if you see, just to give you examples, that, you know, anywhere where music is as a part of the culture, part of the entertainment, and part of sharing happiness, that music has more or less always crossed geography and become foreign music, but it has held its entertaining quality. So Punjabi music saw its boom because I think Punjabi folk believed in Punjabi folks, you know, as a younger chaps believed in the folk, you know, at a very young, at a very youth level, they enjoy listening to songs in their mother tongue. There is pride, and then there is also the idea of taking your folk further ahead. So they also experimented. They also started mixing dance beats with their old folk songs, you know. So that is why Punjabi music has seen the sort of boom that it is, you know, experiencing today. But will every region in the area in India be able to reach that sort of height? It's a thing we want to see. I mean, as a Gujarati, I really want to see my Gujarati music being represented correctly. I really want to see world to look at Gujaratis for more than just knowing numbers well and doing business all the time, or, you know, or eating jalebi fafda, you know. And no offense to any opinions out there. I'm just saying there's so much we have imbibed from our folk songs and from our culture. I mean, wherever we are today is because, you know, because of that learning back home, because of that rich culture that we have. But I don't know if it is call it, you know, in terms of quality, really quality representation has happened on it. So me and Jigar have taken it upon us to not blame somebody else for having not done enough work in Gujarati, and we've taken that upon us that wherever, whenever, however we get a chance, we are going to try and bring glory back to our language and our culture, and showcase how every Gujarati song is not essentially a garba, and how there are so many other facets to our culture, and how many colors there are in our folk songs. So yes, there is aspiration, there is complete complete dedication for Gujarati culture or Gujarati music also to come see that boom, and some sort of a Gujarati revolution I can see in the movies or in the media in general. I can see that it has started to brew, but it is really in the initial stage. Whether or not that will happen, we'll surely do our bit. That's all I can say.
Right. Also, we are hoping because, like you said, most of the Gujarati songs that we hear are basically garba songs. कि garba के backdrop में आप कुछ गुजराती गाना बना दीजिए. Otherwise, there's very less that has yet to come. I can say this like Bengal से मैं हूँ तो we have seen there has been a lot of Bengali composers also, Bengali musicians. It's बहुत है और
Absolutely.
they make use of all the folk songs जैसे Shantanu Moitra would use the tunes of folk song for making
R.D. Burman, S.D. Burman, yeah, it goes. I mean, yeah, completely no.
Absolutely. So we are looking forward to it and we hope that you take it to that direction where we get Gujarati music apart from Garba. हमें सुनना है, हमें भी जानना है.
Absolutely. We really want to do that. And I mean, just to give you an example that, when Jigar sung his first playback song, it was straight for Yashraj Films, It's a song called Gulabi from Shuddh Desi Romance. And I still remember that Mr. Aditya Chopra walked into the studio, he heard the song and he said, बाकी इसके बारे में जो भी छोटा मोटा बदलना जरूर, लेकिन इसकी आवाज नहीं बदलना. तो Jigar sang it and also Priya sang it, Jigar's wife, my bhabi. So both of them were singing and in the song there's a part that's actually written in Gujarati. Jaane re jaane man jaane re. So I think वो जो आप कह रहे हो ना कि गुजराती रिफ्लेक्शंस आए हमारी कंपोजिशन में, वो खैर अभी तक करते ही आ रहे हैं, but like you said that if the world really should know that there is so much more. So when we got a chance to perform for Coke Studio, we composed a song called Ladki, and it is Sachin Jigar's salute to every ladki out there, चाहे वो माँ हो, चाहे वो भाभी हो, बहन हो, चाची हो, जो भी है, कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी की वो लाड़की है. और वो लाड़की अगर है और अगर उसके सैक्रिफाइसेस हैं और उन्होंने जो हमारे लिए किया है वो है, तब जाके हम वहां हैं जहां हम हैं. तो ऐसे हमारे कल्चर की ढेर सारी बातें हैं जो हम जरूर एट अ ग्लोबल लेवल बहुत अच्छे से रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं.
Okay. Also, Zoom meeting बहुत जल्द खत्म हो जाता है, but this conversation is going on so well. Zoom has lifted this 40-minute time limit ताकि हम और बातें कर सकें.
Sure.
एक बात जो आपने कही in the interview कि you were preparing for CA, Sachin, and Jigar, you were preparing for your MBA. Suddenly from CA MBA like good juice and numbers जो stereotype चलता है, उससे आप बाहर आके म्यूजिक में कैसे आए, मुझे ये जानना है.
यार हम आ गए, ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था. It just happened for us. I don't think we thought about it. It just happened and everyone accepted. I don't think हम लोग ये प्लान कर सकते थे. हमने मतलब मैंने 17, 18, 19, 21 I studied to become a MBA, जिसके लिए मैंने अपने लाइफ के 18 साल डाले, पर वो एक सेकंड में चेंज हो गया. So life doesn't go as planned always.
Of course.
But we would like to give the credit to our parents, okay, because उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. जो आप स्टीरियोटाइप की बात कह रहे हो, आप सोचिए कि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने न जाने कितने आंसर्स दिए होंगे या कितना कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया होगा कि नहीं हमारे बच्चे वो अपना पैशन फॉलो करेंगे. और अगर ये कोई सुन भी रहा है, तो एज अ पेरेंट टुडे आई चूज नॉट टू एनफोर्स माय विजन ऑन माय डॉटर. और वो करेगी जो उसका दिल चाहता है. जैसे हमने गाना बनाया कुड़ी नु नचने दे, तो she'll do what her heart tells. And I think what our parents could do for us, तब जाके वो स्टीरियोटाइप टूटा है. मतलब चाहे हमने मेहनत करी हो, हार्ड वर्क और नसीब के बिना नहीं होता है, बट आई डोंट थिंक एट द सेम टाइम बिना मतलब बिना उसके भी हो सकता है. लेकिन अगर आपको अपने घर से सपोर्ट मिलेगा, इफ योर पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट यू, I don't think there is a better place for a child.
Finally, I wouldn't take a lot of your time anymore, and I would like to ask you what's next for Sachin and Jigar.
Oh yeah. So next is a lot of films, like at least 4-5 films are coming out, and a lot of independent music. You will also, we did a web show called The Family Man,
Huh.
and so we are doing a lot in web space also. So yeah, a lot of that, lot of music basically.
Okay. Also, Family Man though is like another. It has boomed to another level. That title track of the Family
Yes.
Man, that is so good. I have to tell you
Thank you.
this before we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Zina.
So
Thank you.
we are doing a lot more in the web space also. So a lot of music coming out.
Okay, okay. And we are looking forward to each one of them. सबसे पहले क्या आ रहा है? ये तो मुझे पूछना ही है.
सबसे पहले शिद्दत रिलीज हो रही है और शिद्दत के बाद आई एम होपिंग कि हम दो हमारे दो रिलीज these two, but alongside हम दो हमारे दो maybe our third film Chandigarh करे आशिकी also, a couple of singles also will fall in the coming months. So yeah, lots is coming your way.
So congratulations for Shiddat, because the title track is already like sub. It's on the top of all the charts, and everyone is listening to it. So congratulations. Also, thank you so much for joining with us, for joining with Desi Martini. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
Same here,
Thank
Zina.
you so much.
Truly enjoyed. Cheers.
Thank you so much. Take care, and thank you for gifting us good music. Bye.